dyan? No comment? Oh, sige, pasensya na po. Pasensya na. Ano po masasabi niya po sa tayo naman ano naman kasi katolik ko na ako ay matagal na. Ano po? Ay, may isa ko. Yan na. Basta sana ako ay simba, sumusunod sa utos ng Diyos din. Kapag Catholic. Paano church as Catholic? Church as continuous na church as Catholic. One Holy and Apostolic. Ano lang po namin? Ano po ang pagkakaalam sa church as Catholic?
Sagradong Katoliko. Ako, Katoliko ko. Dati.
Thank you po. Ako Catholic po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano naman sa buhay? Uy, ano naman yung Church Catholic? Church Catholic. Catholic na parang lahat na kahit different ka man or iba ka din sa mga parang tatanggapin ka pa rin nila kahit malaki yung difference sa kanila. Pero, diba? Oo, yun ang Church as Catholic. Yun yung parang kahit bakoy, bumi, pilay, kung ano ka man sa mundo, tanggap ka nila kasi church nga. Tinatanggap ka. Kasi isang family yung church. Oo, tsaka yun na yung third home natin. Third home. Yun. Amazing! Yes!
Dahil sa araw na to, kasama po natin si Father Noel.
Kahit na makukulit, ako'y kumakain ng fish ko.
Hello!
What is
Ano
your
po?
question?
Tanong lang po namin kung ano masasabi niyo about sa church ng Apostolic.
To explain to you the meaning of the word apostolic. When we speak of the apostolic church, definitely everybody should understand that our faith is an apostolic faith. It was a faith handed over to us by the apostles. Remember in the Gospel of Matthew, Mark, Luke, we find there the call of the apostles, how they were called by Jesus. So when we speak of an apostolic church, definitely the faith that we embrace, I told you early on, is coming from the faith of the apostles. And it was the apostles who started the community we call now the church. So basically, our church is an apostolic church. It is rooted from the faith of the apostles who first responded to the call of Jesus. I hope that is clear. If you want more, then you can invite me to your school. I am Father Nolan Ke from St. Joseph St. Anthony saying to all of you, good afternoon or good morning. Thank you, everyone.